Good morning, everybody. Today we will start the topic acidic strength. By the help of this session, you can solve the all types of the problems of the acidic strength, whichever asked in the IIT JEE or NEET exam. So let me start. Suppose an organic compound HA is given. So there are four factors which will influence the acidic strength of the given organic compound. Number A is the strength of the HA bond. Number B is the electronegativity of the A. And most important factor is the stability of the A negative as compared with the HA. And final factor is nature of the solvent. Right. So let me explain the factor one by one. Number A factor is strength of the HA bond. Consider these halogen acids. These are HF, HCl, HBr and HI. These are halogen acids, right? These halogens are present in a group, and if we move in a group from top to bottom, as we know that the size of the halogen will increase. If the size of the halogen will increase, then the bond becomes weak. That's why most easily proton given by the HI, whereas least easily proton given by the HF. That's why most acidic is HI and least acidic is HF. Number A factor. Number B factor is electronegativity of the A. Consider these example: methane, ammonia, water and HF. These elements are present in a period. If we move in a period from left to right, as we know that the size will be approximately same. There is no drastic changes in the size, but the electronegativity of the atom will increase. As we know that the fluorine is most electronegative atom, whereas carbon is least electronegative atom. Electronegativity value of the carbon is 2.5, whereas electronegativity of F is 4. That's why if you draw the conjugate base, as we know that the acid is proton donor, so the conjugate base of the methane is CH3 minus, amide ion NH2 minus, water hydroxide, and this one is F negative. So can you tell me that the negative charge is stable on the which of the following species? No doubt answer is F negative. Negative charge on the F is most stable, whereas negative charge on the carbon will be least stable. As we know that the negative charge on the carbon makes it slightly unstable. That's why the most acidic is HF, whereas least acidic is methane. As we know, methane is an alkane which is also known as paraffin, and methane have the approximately 50 pK value. And as we know that if the pK value will be increased, then the acidic strength will be decreased. That's why least acidic is methane, right? Number C factor is stability of the A negative as compared with the HA. As we know that the acid is proton donor and it will form the conjugate base, right? So if the conjugate base is stable, then a reaction will be shifted in the forward direction and the compound will become more acidic. Let me explain the example. If we will consider these three acids, ethanol acetic acid and the methane sulfonic acid. So if you will draw the conjugate base, this one is ethoxide ion, acetate ion and methane sulfonate ion. So in the ethoxide ion, resonance is absent. Negative charge or lone pair on the oxygen is localized. Whereas in the acetate ion, negative charge is delocalized. There are two equivalent resonating structures are possible for the acetate ion, whereas in the methane sulfonate ion, three equivalent resonating structures are possible. So if you will compare the stability of the conjugate base, then the methane sulfonate ion is most stable, whereas acetate ion is less stable, and the least stable is ethoxide ion. And if the stability of the conjugate base or the anion will increase, then the acidic strength will also increase. So if you will compare the acidic strength of these three compounds, then methane sulfonic acid is most acidic, then acetic acid, then ethanol. And if you will compare the pK value, so let me explain. The pK value of the ethanol is approximately 16, whereas acetic acid is 4.74, whereas sulfonic acid have a negative pK value, right? So as we know, pK is equal to minus log of Ka, and if compound have less pK, then it is more acidic. That's why the methane sulfonic acid is strongest acid, right? It have the negative pK value, whereas in this series ethanol is least acidic, whereas acetic acid is situated between the ethanol and the methane sulfonic acid. So this factor is most important factor to decide the acidic strength of the given compound. If you have some type of question of the acidic strength in your NEET or the JEE exam, then always check the stability of the conjugate base. Maximum type of question in these exam will be solved by especially these factors, right? Then final factor is the nature of the solvent. As we know, water is the best solvent to dissolve and the organic compound. So if you will compare the acidic strength of a given compound in water or gas phase, then no doubt water is the best solvent to dissolve and the organic compound, and the acidic strength in water is more as compared to the gas phase. Thank you very much, and please like and subscribe the video, and give me the feedback especially also, which will improve the quality of the video. Again, thank you so much, and have a nice day, good day.